Rhinomed is back, and they're looking after the athletes this time with the Rhinomed Turbine. I'm out here in Lake Tahoe to test them out and give you my honest feedback. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the aging athlete. So whether it's exercise tutorials, nutrition tips, podcasts, or product reviews like these, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all of our latest content. A few weeks ago, I tested out the Rhinomed Mute Nasal Dilator. Rhinomed has now come out with a sport version. It appears that the materials of the turbine are just a little bit different than the Mute version, which allow for you to be in more sport-like activities. And you can see that there's a polymer that's on the outside of the dilator, and that is supposed to actually stick in your nose and make it so that it's more secure as you breathe heavily during exercise. And I will say that as I started using my Mute nasal dilator, one of the things that started to happen when I breathed very heavily is that it would start to loosen or maybe even come out of my nose. So this looks like it's going to be securing inside your nostrils. So let's give it a try. So I definitely think that the dilator is bigger, so it's going to dilate your nose a little bit more. Cool little sporty yellow here, looking sharp. So I'm going to do a workout with this nasal dilator in and see if it's any different than what I've tried previously, and I'll give you my honest feedback. See you in a little bit. So I'm about halfway through some work rest intervals, and I gotta say, these are, I didn't know how they can improve on the Mutes, but it is really dilating and opening up my airways, and they're not shifting around, which is huge. Let's finish out the rest of the workout and I'll give you my full review. So I wanted to give you guys an idea after the workout, my probably 6th or 7th interval there of about a 150 meter hill sprint after some slam balls, that the respiratory rate and volume isn't restricted by the collapsed breathing passage. You know, literally my thoughts directly after this workout: this is an awesome upgrade to the Rhinomed Mute. They didn't move at all during this workout. Opened up my nasal passages even more. I will say one of the drawbacks is it's advertised that they're only made to be used 10 times. The polymer breaks down after a little while. It may lose its grippiness in the nose, but I definitely like the amount of expansion and amount of dilation that I'm getting in the turbine version of the Rhinomed nasal dilator. So yeah, these are definitely a thumbs up for me. So if you have nasal breathing issues, collapsed airways during extreme exertion, exercise, then this is a thumbs up for me. Overall, for me personally, this is something that I'm going to be using in every single training session that I'm doing. If you found this product something that you might want to use, I left an affiliate link down below. That is to no extra cost for you if you purchase through the affiliate link, but it does help support the channel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment on what you found helpful, and subscribe if you haven't just yet. I'm Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.